Looks like Mike is sure enjoying his vacation.
Oh yeah.
Uh-oh, looks like a storm is coming. Hey, you'd better take cover, Mike.
Ow.
Oh dear, he can't hear us.
¿Cómo ka?
Maverick, there's an emergency on the island. Can you help? Mike can't hear our warnings about the storm, Maverick. It's headed right for us. We need to get Mike to leave the island soon.
Malao, minama.
There's Mia. Maybe she can help.
Bravo! Mama, pata.
Huh?
Mike's in danger. Can you help us get a message to him?
Oh, mi amor.
Great!
Ah.
Let's go!
Hey. Hey,
Oh, bother. He can't hear us over his music.
hey.
Mia, can you write something in the sky to get his attention? Wow, nice work!
Hey,
Ugh, his eyes are closed. He doesn't see it. Now what?
Mama, minama.
What are you two up to?
Mama.
Ah.
That ought to get his attention.
Banana. Hey.
Mike, there's a huge storm coming. We've gotta go. Hurry!
Mama, minama.
It's so dark in here. I can't see anything. Smart, Maverick. You brought a lantern. Oh no! We're trapped! Now what?
Banana.
Ah, good thinking.
Hey.
Push! Great teamwork, guys!
Hey!
Hooray! The storm is over!
Hey, hey.
Well, we've sure got some cleaning up to do. But I think we're up for it. Together. See you next time, friends. Hey, Mike. The new dock is coming along nicely.
Hey.
What's wrong? Oh no! A fire! We need help!
Hey!
Maverick, help! The island is burning! Come quick! It's spreading, and Mike is trapped! Let's go!
Hey!
Max, there's a fire on the island! Can you help us put it out? Hey, look! There's Mia! Mia, we need your help! Can you carry Max to the island?
Mama, pada!
Awesome! Nice work, Mia!
Hey!
Hurry! No time to waste!
Oh!
Really?
Ha!
Hey. Hey-ho.
Come on, everyone! Oh no! Quicksand! Take off, Mia! Oh dear!
Pada!
Pull, Max!
Mama, ouvri ma.
Phew! Good job, guys!
Hey!
Okay, now let's get that fire put out! Hurry!
Hey! Mama, ouvri ma.
Use your hose, Max! That's great, Mia. Throw the water from your buckets. You did it! It's out!
Hey. Za.
Babi Badra. Ah, oh. Ah, Babi.
Nice work today. You saved the island. And the dock looks great too, Mike. See you next time, friends.
Ah. Yahoo.
Oh, ho, ho. Whoa.
Wow, so windy. Come on, guys. Work together. Uh-oh. Say, where'd Mia go?
Lili Mali Babo. Oh, yeah.
No sign of her. Let's see if Maverick can find her.
Oh.
Oops, sorry, Maverick. But Mia's gone missing. Can you help? Let's go!
Hey, Mama. Minama. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, nice move!
Mama. Mama.
Guys, we can't find Mia. Can you help look for her? Milo and Mitch were flying kites with her at the racetrack just before she disappeared.
Haha. Yeah.
Yikes, the wind is strong today.
Hey, bravo. Mama.
We'll find her faster if we split up. Maybe she went in the forest. What's that? Nope, not Mia. But what's that sound?
Oh.
Hey, look, it's Mia. The wind must have knocked her off course. You're stuck up there, Mia? Oh, dear.
Oh. Huh?
It's not nice to make fun, guys. Well, that should teach you not to pick on Mia.
Whoa.
Quick, go get the others so we can get Mia down.
Yo.
Oh, good. You're here. How can we get Mia down?
Hey, là lại ba ba. Hey.
Great idea. We'll shake her loose.
Ah.
Oh.
Wow, nice hit.
Hey.
There she goes. What's wrong?
Huh?
Oh, I see. Your kite is still stuck up there. Good thinking, Mo. Nice job. Have fun, guys, and hold on tight to those kites. See you next time, friends. Hi, guys. Nice day for fishing. What are you waiting for? Marty begged you to go fishing, and he never showed up? Why not start fishing, and he can join you when he arrives?
Whoa. Oh, yeah.
Looks like you have a bite, Mike. Is that a bottle? There's a message in it. It looks like a map. Why don't you call Maverick for help?
Oh, yeah.
Great jump, Maverick. Sorry to interrupt your practice, but Mo and Mike found a mysterious message in a bottle, and they need your help. That's them now. They're not sure what the message means, Maverick. They need your help to find out what it's all about. You're always up for adventure, Mia. Maverick could use your help. Maverick and Mia are here to help, guys. You think it might be a treasure map? What are you thinking, Maverick? Is it a treasure map? You don't think so? Tell Maverick how you found this note, guys. If it was in the water, where did it come from? What is it, Mia?
Mo, balo. Mubala.
Someone is on the island! There's smoke! Mia, maybe you should go and check.
Tampu.
Look, someone needs help! It's Marty! He must have run out of fuel!
Hey.
Lula.
Hang on, Marty! Mia will go for help.
Oh, bago.
What? Marty is stuck on the island?
No.
That makes perfect sense. Marty sent his location on the note in the bottle.
Minama, Ilala.
Use your hook, Mia, and drop the line down to Marty. He can hang on to it, and you can tow him through the water.
Minaba.
Hey.
Hang on to this, Marty.
Whoa.
Mia will tow you back to the beach.
Lula. Ha.
Oh yeah.
Great job, Mia.
Hey.
Looks like you got the biggest fish of the day.
Voilà. Oh, Minamo. Huh?
Oh.
Oh, Minamo.
Yeah.
Oh.
Woo, bago.
Thanks for your help, everyone. See you next time.
Yeah.
Hey.